Okay, so let's unbox this. Hey guys, I'm Ankit, and we have got the OnePlus Nord. We are going to unbox it. Okay, so this is the new OnePlus Nord pop-up box unboxing. What do we have in the box? Some paperwork, stickers, bottle, one custom case for the Nord, and the phone. Let's keep this box aside. First, let's open the bottle. So, this is the bottle, and it looks really nice. Like, it feels good. Color is also very nice. It's a 500 milliliter bottle. और यहाँ पे लिखा है कि 12 आवर्स तक ये कोल्ड रख सकता है और 8 आवर्स तक हॉट रख सकता है. सो लाइक इट्स वेरी गुड. Let's unbox the case also. Okay, this is how the case looks like. On the back side it's written Nord. The front side is like, it's a very good case. Quality is very good. There's a hole for the microphone also. It's written OnePlus, designed by Camelia Engstrom. So let's keep this aside also. Now let's open the box. I've got the 256 GB variant, the 12 GB and 256 GB variant. So here's the phone. Now let's unbox the phone. Okay, this is the phone. And what else we get in the box is a TPU case, these are some SIM ejector tool, some more stickers, and the paperwork, which we don't need. And the one Type-C cable. And the warp charger, which says made in India. So that's good. Okay. So I bought the grey onyx color, which is like quite nice. I thought of the blue color, but I think this one looks even better than the blue. This is such a nice. So what we have here is a Type C, a headphone. There is no headphone jack. Sorry, a Type C, a Type C port, a speaker, 4 camera setup at the back, 1 microphone at the top, and 1 at the back, and the alert slider. And there are 2 cameras in the front. So let's just start it. Okay, it's booting up. Till it boots up, let's apply the case. Okay, I think the case looks very good. Okay, so it booted really fast. Okay, let's just set up it. Okay, let's just set up. Okay, so this one has the in-display fingerprint sensor, as you guys all know. Let me quickly set up. Okay, so there's already an update available for 158 MB, and as you can see, there are no bloatwares in this phone. Like, there are only Google apps and a Facebook app is there. Otherwise, there is no bloatware on this phone. This is my first OnePlus device, so I hope I will like it. This was the unboxing. If you like it, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Peace.